That's a soft for catcher and say.
Yes.
2024 Banonia. Your friend will deep for beneath the nation's one.
Or many ready for general.
You can't quite a mama, maybe say. And that the baby I may prefer this year by home. You were mamma, Tiamia, Mumman and Tiasi.
Yes.
Baba present it yet, I Baba my God.
Mama Wakwaba, Wafreme, Adjoa searching, Mesrel, now was subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo sofo Opambour abekasa na obekasa no Ghana fu bia omote Ghana ha free Ghana a omo free Togo anase Cote d'Ivoire free another country bia no omote Ghana ha nom a omo hu oman panida da John Dramani Mahama na membu no omo nso abeman reply ebi mo kire se sofo Opambour onye nyame ena de obeka no ena ebebem ena ebi mo nso kire se bi onsem hu no edoso wo Ghana ha no too much nti se yehwe na ye serious because ago no edoso na ebusuafo denti ena Ghana fo bi ekase nti omo kase ina ne se eye sofo Opambour Ebenezer yiado ede ensem bia betudwa na eda nsem ena wo kan o kire se ye ena no Saturday ena NPP for omode omo abato ehyehe so ekoyi opani a obetu franka ede ama NPP ama yoku no mekire flag bearer na abato no ekwa wieye no eye honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan oyade papa no eyade oye na adwen so obe contest for presidency anase flag bearership no enya eyempo I think 7 months in Poignai, but Otimi enya 37.41%, which means honorable or your future president and your future employer beno. Why are they papa? Now about on a query, Nipa Odin Kunim, a Dr. Bawumia, a year His Excellency the Vice President, Ono and now Odin Kunim, our 61.43%. Now, episode for some way better, Jano. And ya ye mo kodanda NPP foni bi HSS Vice President Dr. Bawumia Bade anya dia ombeto aba no ibu so HSS ombeto aba na de ade ane no na osofo Opambour ede ensem bia betudwa o kire se eye Vice President Dr. Bawumia ba wa beide obewe na ono Opambour no ye Vice President Dr. Bawumia obre no wase papa ono na ne ri na omo akonifi akochia ne da openasem en yese bia otan no openasem na mum no okache ne pi o pinpoint a che ne say 2024 elections in the Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama na obefa na ebusuafo ensem we beto odwane Ghana fo bebre a kire se Opambour eye prophet nyamedifo a okasa oye prophet papa because Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama it's obvious say 2024 he is going to win and ebi mo so kire se no prophet Opambour ensem a woka no nyade ewo because Oman Penida da John Dramani Mahama he cannot win but Reverend Obofo Sofo Opambour wakasa also a Vice President His Excellency Dr. Bawumia Intimimini. Personally, I'm not doing politics. Vice President Dr. Bawumia renew I cannot. But say me a citizen, I'm your member, I'm your main. There are a lot of people talking. Vice President Dr. Bawumia on His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo no mubu omano. No mana ye basa ti Vice President Dr. Bawumia ba no oba no o wa membu ni bu awo o wa membu ni mu bi nti no nya de hese ye de ne ba na aside Vice President Dr. Bawumia be nyu family wo se den family no Vice President Dr. Bawumia personally say yam fa politics ambe na obi nye NDC nti na wo kasa I think say Vice President Dr. Bawumia he's not the president as we are talking. You see the president is not the president, he's the vice. Yena for trotro sometimes ya for car you the way mate na the driver walk. The mate no be can say driver ne ye ne ebu ha driver ne ye the driver no be can say mate ne ye ne bu ho nye but the driver no nko sometimes o for trotro na say driver no nko and o walk car ne mu mate du ma ukwara udu baby a ogina ebebie gate no eje ni sika which means one kwa no perform the duty nti ohu ha wo besi So when Ghanaians are saying say Vice President Dr. Bawumia Kambembu, is he the president? He is not the president. Now a year on my penda that John Dramani Mahama, so sometimes or can say Ghanaians we have short memory, a yampa. Ghana have politics time. Politics in your time. I don't think say on my penida that John Dramani Mahama no be Ghana for Konobi no makwa fanaba in the sense that o man penda da John Dramani Mahama no ye president a onya kokuduru be ka kire Ghana youth on do be kan yo na say people for kwado mo kan if omun creating human yenye bi ya omun pinpoint and as omun nye bold and country and said they cannot create jobs because they are not magicians, but on my penda da John Dramani Mahama boldly told us say he is not a magician to create jobs, and it's a fact. And this if we create jobs, job be an Ghana youth be any be nursing training allowances or cancel no, teacher training allowances or cancel no. I mean, there were a lot of things and then aside everything, we slept in Doomso for 4 good years with no lights. Oh yeah, Baba Oko Juma lights in your Juma. But here make us say no lights. I mean, innocent people died through operations because operation Gusana light edu. This is the I mean, from Accra to Kumasi Road, from Accra to Takrady Road, people died drawing on Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama ne pens. Your Mampenda da Nko NDC for be on mine so over 27 years. They couldn't do anything about it. Last time na Stone Boy celebrities no omo ye demonstration Stone Boy be kasa I said offend say Tema Road no onya na accident no nya Tema Road no so ntiaban no enkonkoye, and I was asking myself say na Stone Boy what accident no nya na time ben at that time na people na also na say this na was unya accident na dey na this na was, but they didn't Tema kwan no I say they couldn't do it. Inti say wunya accident ni mu no comment me demonstration afa ya wona na ye na oba be demonstration say tamakwane. I'm not saying it's a man government in here, but sometimes when we are doing politics ya for reality ni ngu akwan so Omampenda da John Dramani Mahama Ghana for president or president no or baba ye den wa be president when to me Ghana Dubai. As I'm talking to you, hospital Abanfo Dasu Buffet when ND 2024 year to abandon NDC for bar, they are going to continue on appeal for be good fame awo ayale for be good fame abre from Accra to Kumasi kwan be kunipa. I mean near experiences is here the same thing ebe experiences. So if new person dey be you need to say he is coming na ya to NPP na NDC egua, why should we allow Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama to come again? I think say as I say your man government back tena so be bia 12 years na ye don betimi ya ansa na, but 8 years na we by 8 years na Ghana dey tia na yeti o enti ye Opambour ye pacho Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama wa be president da me mentua nkotogo Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama na membu nkwade at that time na me was secondary school, so I saw everything secondary school na me so I na many efi nti me hu and me hu NPP and membu so though economy ni mo aye den ewiase aye den na ye kasa, but ewiase na aye den no enye Ghana nko ewiase de bia aye den. And as matter of fact Mampenda da John Dramani Mahama is not coming to say or the Ghana is also akọ back na Ghana be memremre no enti minsi nti also for Opambour was my work no so one person na be independent candidate na ato ama na be say Ghana there I don't have any problem, I will vote for you because as I'm talking to you now you're an independent person, I will bet you be say Ghana, but NPP and NDC then can maintain one party and keye and a vice president na Ghana for can say or one member ni is he the president? He is not the president, no. Yes sir, my busan fienti ensema Reverend Opambour ede etudwane mbeti ensema Ghana for bin so aka ede akire no
nyasem kotwa pipa dom omoto abani nyina awie delegate for no to ni nyina awie na mpacho ba na awie ye no na yewura Muhammadu Bawumia the vice president one of prophet patron in Saka. Yes sir.
Why
pipa yewura the vice president of the Republic of Ghana.
Yeah,
Muhammadu Bawumia patron one na Saka enra
oh sir
odin kuni me patron.
Yeah, everybody has
Jesus
wa ba fia be chia me pen ni yiri na di kan ba fia be chia me ono anka samu ba fia be chia me, but I love him so much.
Yes.
What the Ambrase never many will fear. The Yerikra, the NHS, Nambrase, and not what the Bamani will fear. That's a sort for catcher and say,
yes.
2024, Banunya. Your friend will deep up beneath the nation's one.
Or many ready for general.
You can't grant a mumpa, maybe say, and yet the baby, I may prefer this year by home. You were mamma, Tiamia, Muman and Tiasi.
Yes.
Baby, present it, yet they are Baby.
My God.
The Radina Misokan answer, son.
Jesus.
Me phone say about me and Abba. You about me and Tiamia. Nanitia, what your friend said about we are when you know.
That's right.
Now 2024, but the more you're not just open the new budget. Nanitia and how they see it.
Yes, go.
I am the prophet of God,
The nation prophet.
Oriba Sanda Katori
Senior
Alabadia.
global prophet.
When you have to me,
Jesus.
then I may catch it out.
Yes, go.
What pass so for you come home? And so Nintendo, Yaminam Sonny and Castle Opambour Trophy. And yet that
We use
Ebusuafo ene yansume nsemwe ena sofo Opambour ede abetuja nientie reply Ghana fu bi so ede aman we eye Rahim ena o chese nkwasi asem senya akwa let people rest na Gyimifuo no abroso mmoa ena we nso eye Solomon ena o chese you are not God ena we nso eye Evangelist Georgina Amoako and what say if God says yes, no one can say no. It's the voice of God, as I told you earlier. We speak the mind of God from day one. Shalom, he is the one to break the eight. Okay, and I so and what say sometimes I don't understand some pastors in Ghana. There are so many souls that have lost. Instead of you to preach the gospel to win them back to God, you are here on social media prophesying elections. What has election got to do with God? In some way, and as a reply when I Ghana for be a day, I'm a suffer Opambour, and we're abroad in some way, a better.